Okay, so we are going to cross multiply. That's step 1. So that means we need to acknowledge that I take the 5 times my variable, and then I'm going to do 8. Oops, I meant to change colors. Sorry about that. And then 8 times 20. So 8 times 20, well, 8 times 2 is 16, and add a 0, equals 5 times our variable. And then I'm going to complete step 3, which is divide to isolate the variable. So I'm multiplying by 5. The opposite is to divide by 5. And these cancel, and I get D equals 32. All right, same thing. I multiply. 7 times 10 is 70, equals Z times 14, which is 14Z. And I always put a line through my Z just so you know it's not a 2. And then now I isolate my variable. I'm multiplying by 14, so the opposite is to divide by 14. And 70 divided by 14 is 5. So we have 5 equals Z. All right, so now again, 7 times 44, which is 308, equals 4 times M, divide by 4 on both sides, and I get 77 equals M. Last one, I'll use my highlighters this time. 6 times 72 equals 432, and then 4 times D, or 48 times D is 48 times our variable. I draw my line. I'm going to divide by the number that's next to my variable, so I divide by 48. And I get 9 equals D.